Before you hand over $500 to a mechanic for a lazy gas pedal, I'm going to show you the fix. And it costs you nothing but 30 seconds of your time. That feeling of your car dragging its feet, the unresponsive throttle, the weird idle, it might not be a broken part. It might just be a confused computer. I'm talking about your throttle position sensor, or TPS. And 90% of the time, a simple reset is all it needs. I've been under the hood for 20 years, and I'm telling you, this is the easiest win in automotive repair. Today, I'm walking you through 4 dead simple ways to reset your TPS. We'll go from the easiest no-tool method to the professional-grade fix. Stick around for method 3. That's the secret weapon when nothing else seems to work. Let's get your car's get up and go back. Alright, let's pop the hood on this problem. First, what even is a throttle position sensor? Think of it as the translator between your right foot and your car's brain. When you press the gas pedal, the TPS tells the engine computer, hey, the driver wants 50% power, or they want to go all out. It's a simple potentiometer, basically a volume knob for your engine. But over time, with dirt, heat, and normal wear, the values it sends can drift. The computer gets confused. It thinks the pedal is at 20% when it's really at 0%, or it doesn't recognize the full range of motion. That's when you get the lag, the hesitation, the rough idle. The beautiful part? You don't always need a new sensor. You just need to reintroduce the sensor and the computer to each other. You need to reset their relationship. Let's start with the simplest trick in the book. This is method 1, the basic ignition relearn. You need 0 tools. Just your key and your foot. This is perfect if your car just feels a bit off, sluggish, a little rough at a stoplight, but there's no scary check engine light staring you down. Here is exactly what you do step by step. Find a safe, level place to park. Turn the engine all the way off. Take your key up. This is important. We want the car to go to sleep completely. Now take a breath. No rushing. This is about being smooth. Step 1. Put your key back in the ignition. Turn it to the on position. You'll see all your dashboard lights light up like a Christmas tree. Do not start the engine. We are just waking up the computers. Step 2. Now, with your right foot, slowly, and I mean slowly, press the gas pedal all the way to the floor. We're talking a smooth 3 to 4 second push. This isn't a race. You're showing the engine computer the full travel of the pedal. Feel it hit the stop. Hold it down there for a solid 3 seconds. Don't bounce it. Step 3. Just as slowly release the pedal. Another 3 to 4 seconds back to the top. This calm, steady motion is key. Jerky movements give the computer bad data. Step 4. Repeat this slow press and hold and release one more time. 2 total cycles is the sweet spot. You're basically drawing a perfect map of the pedal's range for the car's brain. Step 5. Turn the key all the way back to OFF. Give it a full 10 seconds. This lets the computer save the new map you just gave it. Step 6. Now, start the car normally. Let it idle. Don't touch the gas pedal for a good minute or 2. You might hear the idle settle down. The computer is now using its new map. After that, give the pedal a gentle press. Feel any difference? It should be crisper, more immediate. You just saved yourself a tow and a big bill. If the problem is still there, don't worry. The car is telling us we need a deeper reset. That's where we go next. But before we move on, let me tell you the 2 biggest mistakes people make here. First, they start the engine too soon. You must do this with the engine off. Second, they stomp and release the pedal like they're putting out a fire. Slow is smooth, and smooth is successful. Be the calm mechanic, not the panic driver. Method 2, the battery disconnect reset. This is the nuclear option for the car's memory. It doesn't just reset the TPS, it makes the computer forget almost everything and start from scratch. It's ideal if the basic reset failed, or if you've been having weird electrical gremlins. Now open the hood. Find your battery. See the black cable clamped to the negative terminal? That's our target. You'll need a simple wrench, usually an 8mm or 10mm. Step 1. With your wrench, loosen the nut on that negative terminal clamp. Once it's loose, twist and pull the clamp off the battery post. Move that black cable completely away from the battery. You don't want it accidentally touching the terminal. Step 2. This is the patience part. Not 30 seconds. We need at least 15 full minutes. Go have a coffee. This waiting time lets every little capacitor in the car's computer system drain completely. It's a full system reboot. Step 3. After your break, come back and reconnect the negative cable. Tighten that clamp down nice and snug. A loose connection causes a world of problems. Step 4. Key back in. Turn to on, engine still off. Wait 10 seconds. Turn it off. Wait another 10 seconds. This wakes the systems up in order. Step 5. Now, start the car. Here's the critical part. Do not touch the gas pedal. Let the car idle. It might sound terrible. It might rev high, then low, then stall. That's okay. If it stalls, just restart it. Let it idle for a full 15 minutes. The computer is relearning everything: idle speed, throttle position, fuel trim. It's a baby learning to walk. Don't interfere. Step 6. After 15 minutes, turn it off. Restart it. It should idle smoothly now. Take it for a gentle drive. The computer will continue to learn as you drive. This method fixes a huge range of electronic hiccups. But if your throttle problem is really stubborn, we need to speak directly to the throttle body itself. Method 3. The throttle body relearn or hard reset. This is the most effective method for persistent problems, especially after cleaning or replacing the throttle body. This isn't just a memory wipe, it's a full recalibration. Again, safety first. Engine off, key out. We're going to start with the same battery disconnect from method 2. Pop the hood, disconnect the negative battery cable. But this time, we're only waiting about 5 minutes. That's enough for our purpose. Step 1. Reconnect the battery cable tightly. Step 2. Put the key in and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine. Now, get out of the car and listen near the engine bay. Lean in. You will hear something. A faint buzzing or whirring coming from the throttle body area. That is the sound of the throttle body motor moving the plate through its full range, learning its own limits. It's calibrating itself. Step 3. Wait for that sound to stop completely. It can take from 90 seconds up to 5 minutes. Be patient. Let it finish its dance. Step 4. Once the sound stops, turn the key to OFF. Step 5. Now, start the engine. Let it idle for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Again, no gas pedal input. Let it settle. Step 6. Go for a test drive. This hard reset forces the throttle body and the computer to have a full conversation and agree on all the parameters. It solves the toughest calibration issues. This is the method that fixes the car's other methods can't. Method 4. The OBD2 scanner reset. This is the pro-level, precise method. If you have a scan tool that can do adaptive reset or throttle relearn, this is the cleanest way. Step 1. Turn the car off. Locate your OBD2 port. It's always under the dashboard near the driver's knees. Step 2. Plug in your scanner. Turn the key to on, engine off. Step 3. Navigate through your scanner's menus. Look for terms like adaptive values reset, throttle body relearn, idle relearn, or TPS reset. Every scanner is different. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions exactly. It might say, initiate relearn, and then ask you to start the engine after a countdown. Step 5. The scanner will guide the computer through the process. It's foolproof if you follow the prompts. When it's done, take it for a drive. No matter which method works for you, the next step is prevention. A dirty throttle body is the #1 cause of TPS confusion. Over time, a gunk builds up on the edge of the throttle plate, disrupting the smooth airflow and tricking the sensor. Cleaning it is easy. Every 20,000 miles or so, or if you notice any hiccup, give it a clean. You'll need a couple of basic tools and a can of proper throttle body cleaner. Not carburetor cleaner, not brake cleaner. Use a cleaner made specifically for throttle bodies. It's gentle on sensors and coatings. Spray it on a clean rag and wipe the inside of the throttle bore and the edges of the plate. Don't spray directly into the electronics. A clean throttle body means accurate air measurement and a happy TPS. So there you have it. For ways to reset your throttle position sensor, from a simple key dance to a full computer recalibration. You don't need to be a master mechanic to do this. You just need a little patience and the right information. If this video saved you a trip to the shop and saved you $500, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this stuff is valuable and helps get this video to other people stuck with a sluggish car. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We make real, no-nonsense repair videos that put the power back in your hands. Now, I want to hear from you. Jump down into the comments and tell me which method worked for your ride. Was it the simple ignition reset, or did you have to go full battery disconnect? Your story helps the next person figure it out. And if you're still having trouble, ask your question below. The community here is great at helping out. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best mechanic for your car is often the person who drives it every day. You just need the right knowledge.